Anginawa maningi sithanda amazokubonga akwanele ukubonga kwami amazokubonga anginawa maningi sithanda amazokubonga akwanele ukubonga kwami
Yebo gogo.
amazokubonga
Babona nje. Yebo gogo. Ubuthi wayambala modern cancer. Nje lo lokhisi tsamhlatsi. Awuna nje ukufanya.
Bese mathatha. Ito antreta bana ba tšhelete. Ka bana ba rich.
Ngiyakuzwa gogo.
Ana mona lori. A tlo feta mo wena go ba le tšhelete. Ba tlo share tšhelete. Every day.
So ngiyaqoka every day lento. Ngiyabonga gogo.
Hey Nomthi, uphuma kuphi Chomi?
Chomi ngisesantini.
Hayi waze wambekwa yini ke manje santini?
Beku-interview nje.
Serious?
Yeah, ishiyazi ukuthi ngifuna nomsebenzi.
Ufuna umsebenzi? Chomi. Mina ngitshela ukuthi ngisuthola umsebenzi cishe ngathi congratulations.
Kuphi? Ayi sazamazana.
But ubuka sengathi ujahile, happy?
Angidefinitive.
But you're happy.
Angithi yazi ukuthi mina
Abusunendlela kunamalanga.
ngiyabona umuntu wami ubhaza nje.
Serious?
Yeah.
Angikholelwa ke lena.
Ngiyakutshela.
Kodwa Chomi hayi bungamfonela. What if akekho kunansi phone Chomi?
Hayi Chomi ngiyangifuna ufonela ngiyazi ukuthi
Chomi. Ukuthi ngifuna isikhathi nawe mfonele Chomi.
Sanibona.
Sawubona sisi.
Njani?
Ngiyaphila ngakunceda.
Baba yimi awonke sibanda. Yimi uzonakekela ubaby specific.
Oh, okay. Kulungile. Wena ozosincedisa la ekhaya.
Yebo baba.
Ubaba kaSihle mina. Ubusuwayenzile ama COVID test.
Yebo ngiyayenzile i-certificate nginalo ngakubonisa lona.
Okay. Uyazini, kulungile. Susi mask ngemphathi.
Okay.
Yeah. Hayi, hlala phansi uqala ibhafu. Uma uyeza nje usendleleni.
Ngiyabonga baba.
No much a little.
You call her no.
I'm serious. Just come here, baby. Look, I'm going to balekela ne. Baba. Tanala. Babe, come on.
Stop it, Buzzer. You don't even have protection.
Protection na yun, ma. Choke on the fuck marambo.
Yes, and I'm scared of other things as well.
Baby, come on. What other things?
HIV and AIDS, other diseases, and what if mfazi wakho uyafika basi?
Nah, come on, man. That's not the mean, yeah. Look, she's just a mere girlfriend, okay?
No, you're just saying all these things because you want to sleep with me.
What the left didn't borrow but why? That's why I know push and carry. Look, come on. You're the one that I love, alright?
Are you sure?
Look, I'm speaking from the bottom of my heart, okay?
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Do you mean it?
Come here. Come here.
Let's do this basket.
Okay.
Don't you dare touch me.
Okay, baby, look.
Leave me alone, Baza. Leave me alone. Go to that picture of yours, please. Leave me alone. Don't ever want to see.
Mara,
Leave
look,
me alone,
babe.
Baza.
Hi, darling. How's been your day?
I ain't right. Alright, man.
No, I'm okay. Thank you. Just a bit tired.
Sabona ma.
Sawa sana kunjani sis?
Ngiyaphila njani?
Ngiright. Baba. Awonke emidlalo si. Awonke sibanda actually. Sorry, pardon me for that. Yeah, awonke sibanda uzobe ehlala nathi lana ekhaya. It's actually funny that I'm introducing you to each other, or at least I found you guys already catching up.
No. Gloomy. Dalela. La ekhaya. Wamukelekile.
Okay.
Yes. Ngoba la ekhaya somndeni wesintu onobuntu, inhlonipho nothando.
Yebo.
Yeah, wamukelekile la ekhaya. Futhi ngiyabonga. Ukhululeke nje ngula ekhaya. Siyabonga.
Ngiyabonga.
Awonke, do you have any kids or planning to have any in the near future?
Anginabo abantwana mama. And I have not dated ever since.
Oh, wow.
So I'm currently single.
You said you're 25, right?
Yes.
And you don't have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Wow. Pardon me, I'm not going to delve much on that. I'm just trying to know you better so that we're actually on the same ground. Angi, asihlala ngesithandwa sami, yeah? We'll be leaving very soon. So let me just walk you through your duties in the house, umdwana, and all those things.
Okay.
Ngizoqala ngomfundisi ubamkhale.
Yebo.
Une high blood pressure.
Oh, okay.
Yes, he loves his pap very soft.
Okay.
Ngiyacela ke sis. Ekudleni kwakhe don't put too much salt. Okay?
Yebo mama, ngiyakuzwa.
Ngiyabonga sithando sami. Ngicela ungilandele ngibonise lapho uzokuhlala khona sis. Please take your bag and just follow me.
Yebo mama.
Masibanda. Kukhona okuwisile ngapha.
Hey, bana. Bayibona ntweni. Bayibona nyeshile hlamule mfana. Hey wena. Hayi.
Mna o ka jwale ba batlang hore ba le theka. Bona ngolo tshisa ba ke ga di hips fela ngwana.
Wa bona ile ke yone nthaletse. Ke.
Man. O bona ntwe ke bona.
Ngo ntse nthusa wena.
Ngwana ka ke motho. nomthimba mani ngwana uba yanga sister yaka Big Zulu ya Zulu wena mani. Oh hey kisho mara wena kena.
Hey munhu ukuthi mona wajela
Usazile ngoba umfana sibona yona munhu so mara babatumela ke ke babitsa
kamumva
Jomana karabana kira jasha sibile khulu akababitsa abantu yaje
yosama lesenza kwa
masile mfana yelo melo manaka bochesa manaka ko tsikim makatalogo never get tired.
Hey wena
Wano to isa diphoso. Hello Nomthimba. Nakupa ya uga angkina manara sa upo.
Come on.
And then your friend is not here.
wena motho
Can never do.
oh ya o ipatetseng ha kana ke ka wena
Take a go by.
o re yona lo ngada le gele ke tsibang e ne le kananyana
Okay.
ona ntho lo mbisi ka yona lo tsinta ka po o eme fela do ketile ka sekolo
I can limit the so I'm not taking busy getting interview just there.
bana interview lo bona monate mos ke spandi se jwase ya wena ai bona nna le wena go jwetsa gore ka sena ba go utlwa ka gore na re ka change ka o jwetsa o ska ipata tjena lo ska ipata tjena je o so o di ma o so o di o no nyana all right now on time
Hi babe. Did you see where I put my charger?
Charger sasa.
Yeah, it's charger bangi. Mohale, what's that?
Kuwiso usisi lofika.
Mohale, wait. Mohale, not in this house. I've got a child here. I'm done. Mohale. You know what? I can't. I'm gonna fire her right away. No. Babe, listen. Babe,
ingani manje ufuna ukuzenza umlungu ongazi into zesintu, into zamasiko hlabazi. Uyazi ukuthi kungayenzeka kuyinto evikela impilo yakhe. Yabo? Manje sikwazi ukumxosha phela athi ngisho naseBhayibhelini ayikho ivezi lapho ithi khona abantu bangasebenzisa umuthi.
Mohale, right now I don't care whether umuthi lo ngogaba whether ngokugeza I don't care right now. Do you understand? Anything that has to do with my child that can harm her, angifunda endlini. I must protect her. You must protect me. But you are so comfortable with that thing.
Uyazini ithi ngikutshela. Uma ngabe simxosha manje singakazi ukuthi lento kuyinto yani. Uyazi mawufunda eBhayibhelini kuMatthew 9 verses 12 uJesu uthi yena it's not the doctors who needs patience but patience needs doctors. Mhlambe into evikela impilo yakhe ake simi kancane.
Ba, wena as a man of church, when did you actually start believing in such things?
Cha lalela. Mina angikholelwa emithini kodwa ke ngikholelwa ebantwini abakholelwa emithini. Ukuthi bayakwazi ukuthi kungani bekholelwa emithini. Uyayibona ngisho.
Kungasilimaza baba kuyinkozi lokho.
Yeah, uyazi ukuthi ngithini mina. Into engiyishoyo. Ayikho ivesi eBhayibhelini which I violated. Ngithi kuwena ake sime kumxosha manje. Siqale sihambe siye le ePimville. Gogogo Maphoya. Sombuzo ukuthi kuyinto elungile na ukuthi abe nayo la endlini or kuyinto enobungozi.
How are you?
I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good. I missed you. Long time.
It's been long and wow. It's been long.
It's been a long time.
How is it going, guys?
Everything has been going well. I mean, I have good news for you today.
I hope it's not a man.
Not at all. Guess what? I'm telling Sevens. It's the best job ever. I'm gonna be looking after a child, cleaner, and many more. I need to ask what I'm
Angazi wena vele uyathatha yonke into uyayenza mngani. Mngani, I'm so happy for you. Kunini ufuna umsebenzi?
God has finally answered the prayer.
Congratulations.
Thank you, friend. And you're one couple, they seem like really nice people.
So happy for you.
Thank you, friend. I really appreciate it.
Oh, wena ngathi ngajabula kanjani?
Yes, I really appreciate it, friend. But don't worry, now uzothola umsebenzi. Wenze kahle esikolweni. It's only a matter of time, you know?
Yeah, you're just waiting for the right time. Nami ngizothola umsebenzi. Kodwa nje it's fine mngani. Yazi bengithi ngizokufonela. Khona into bengifuna ukutshela vele mngani, bengithi ngizokufonela.
Okay, that's a bit worrying.
Don't worry mngani. Ngithi yamazi uSam.
Usam Gamas.
Yebo ke uSam, he came to see me last night. We had a conversation, we talked. It was flowing. You're understanding?
Yeah, flowing. Usam Begala. No Mazi.
Yes, mngani.
Do I need to remind you that he's your brother's friend?
Mngani ngicela ungalingi njengobhuti yini uzokushada mina uzoku.
You won't tolerate this nonsense you're doing. I already foresee World War V happening.
I know.
Bazongibulala nina noyithu.
Yazi mngani kodwa ngiyacela nje ungangitsheli ngoZulu wena what you can do for me right now. Cela ngitshele ngoSam. Angithi ngiyazi ukuthi wena uyamazi kangcono. Cela ngitshele
When it comes to Sam, angimazi kanjalo yes. Ngokuva indaba zakhe estradini siyahlangana and that's it. I don't really know him like that.
Ukuthi nje mina mngani. You see, with all these things we hear in the TVs, in the radios, in the newspaper, ngiyasaba shem.
Khuluma ngani nothi ama-radio, ama-TV. It's scaring me. What exactly are you talking about?
How? It's mngani. Mogale, I hear you. I understand you. But the thought of carrying this thing in the car, there's a child in the car that you are driving with. Do you think it's a good idea? Kungamlimaza baba.
Ngiyazi, yazini, ingakho ngithi kumele siphuthume sihambe siye kugogo. Uma sibuya ke sidlula kogazini. Sike sithi umkhuleko kancane.
Umkhuleko baba.
Kodwa ke yazini. Before sihamba. Let's go to What is put
Umkhuleko baba.
Yes.
Mama.
Hayibo. Ucela ukuthi ngizokuyekela uhambe uphume la ugqoke kanjena njengomakhosha. Kanti into yona ngani? Awuyindawo ugqoke kanjena. Awuyindawo. Never. Awuyindawo.
Mama. I'm a free liberated woman. A born free mama. Unlike you, Mama, I know you say things different than I. I know you were born under the bondage of apartheid. Esinye isikhathi manje, Mama. Siqoka kanje siyabangena, Mama.
Hayi mamela la wena ngani? I'm so sick and tired of your Google nonsense. Awusoze uphume kulhlobo. Ngisoze ndikuyekele.
Mama, abomkhulu nabogogo bethu bebehamba beveza amabele. Mina mama, I'm wearing decent enough than them. Ufuna ngenze njani mama? Ngifuna ukufana nabanye abantwana, ngiyabangena nginjena mama.
Wena ngithe awuyindawo. Ucela ukuthi ngibani wena? Umzi wami lona. Angeke ngizwe ngawe yini? Listen here wena ngane. Ngithe you're not going anywhere. Finish and clear.
Mama.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Thokoza.
Kalian isinayo. Bibingka. Yes. Kalian tweaking Taylori. Itlile muthayo le bereka. Kana le re lebitso la kema.
Mo awonge mdlalo segogo.
Yini? Awusho ukuthi usibanda.
Hayi ngiyaxolisa. Makhosi, mo awonge sibanda.
Yes. Itena lake. Kalapitena lake. Kalapitena lake. Yes. 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 Ntwe. Ke ntwe o le ka te protector. Le se ke ba la tshwenya ngwana batho. Ka lo raiteng ntwe e dira. Hana poso.
Siyabonga. Siyabonga.
Ete ntwe lo le nya gore ke le thuse ka yona.
Hayi cha. Siyabonga sesiphuthumela nje inkonzweni manje. Bese sengaloku nje kuphela. Siyabonga.
Moruti. Ke bontshiwa o le moruti. Ke bontshiwa o le motho a kereke. Ke a leboga. Go ba fitla home. Ke lebala tsotlhe. Ke leboga le mangeloi. A ke tsamaya le ona. Thokozani.
Thokoza.
Hayi siyabonga nathi gogo. Uyazi ukuthi izulu nomhlaba kwadalwa uNkulunkulu. Ngisho na yonke into ephila ngaphakathi. Bangabantu nje abayiphukuphuku laba bacabanga ukuthi mangabe ukhonza uNkulunkulu awazi ukuhamba uyezangomeni uyohlola. Kodwa ke hayi asibaxoleleni labo. Siyabonga gogo.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Mfana nna ke tshwaredile. Mfetho itse go da mane ke brare na brare. Ona ka mola so batla di betha lo sister jo.
Come in.
Yes, ngaze ngize ngilibona ivideo engiyanyisa kanje.
Hawu ucela ungibonise.
Hayi, ini kade ngodilithelela umanyala mina.
Come at the wrong time. Wrong time? Yebo. No, wena manje.